Hello everyone, I'm Lakshan Karunathilake. Today I'm going to introduce you about the student life at NII. NII is not all about academics. It's about combining the international experience with students, researchers, professors, and finding you the research goals and research life that you desire. So let's begin. So today's agenda would be I will briefly introduce about myself and what I am currently working on, and how my work-life balance is, and some tips for students, and summary about my final output. So I'm Lakshan Karunathilake and I'm from Sri Lanka. I graduated from University of Kelaniya. And I then started working in a company. Then I joined my PhD. And as my hobbies, I like to take aerial shots. Like this one is from Sri Lanka and one is from Japan. When I come to my research work, I'm mainly working on medical domain related for knowledge graphs. So I'm mainly working with Wikidata and UMLS. I'm trying to recognize the medical concepts and identify the interactions between each other, and trying to predict the ideal relationships according to existing knowledge sources, and then do a factual evaluation against those knowledge sources, whether these are accurate or inaccurate. And I'm trying to expand it as a modular based approach, which can extend into multiple different types of relationships. And I'm using adaptive fusion to combine these knowledge. But if you are interested in my work, and if you need to discuss further, I will be available afterwards as well. Then I'll introduce you about my lab. I have one professor and 7 PhD students with 2 internship students. As I mentioned, we are international university, so we have a lot of international students. We get to know a lot of internship students, and if you see I have made a lot of friends here, and I have different cuisines. And if I introduce about the people and the work that they are working on, they are mainly working on knowledge graphs, social analysis, ontology learning, semantic web applications, and we also maintaining the DBpedia Japan while enjoying our student life. Then I'll brief you about my working schedule. I don't have a proper plan for entire full year kind of thing. I have short plans. I'm maintaining my work I need to know what kind of work I need to do in the next 2 weeks. Then I arrange my work, and I have to allocate the work, which I'm usually working from 10 to 6. But even though I mentioned as 6 o'clock, I have to work sometimes late as well. But you have to work something on that. And yeah, you have to take lectures, but you can't take too much or too less. And you have to stay healthy as well. And these are the tips for you, mainly when selecting courses. Plan what you are going to work, and how you are covering the number of credits, and enjoy the student benefit. You have a great library, you have subscriptions as well, and they provide Japanese classes. I'm also taking now for 2.5 years, and you have a lot of scholarship opportunities. You can try these things because it's a bit expensive living in Tokyo, and find a hobby hit a gym and make friends. And we have Donut Friday and those things. Enjoy and make new friends. In summary, try your best. Everything will go well. You have to talk to your supervisor and team. They will help you a lot, and you have to balance your life, income, and expenses. And don't forget about your family. You have to keep in touch with them. And finally, the most important thing, learn Japanese. You have to do a lot of documentations and things. So you have to learn Japanese. And I hope I gave you some idea about living in NII and the student life. I I wish to see you again in future as well, and good luck for you all. Thank you.